Hello everybody. Today we thought you would enjoy practicing a mindful meditation, just as we have been doing each Monday last term for Mindful Mondays. You might like to ask the people at home to join you for 5 minutes as you take a relaxed break from our busy remote learning activities. We will begin with our positive affirmation, which today is, I believe in my goals. Remember, for the next few minutes, all you need to do is sit and listen. First, check how you are sitting. Are both feet flat on the floor? Are both hands resting on your legs? Don't slouch. Instead, sit up nice and straight and let your shoulders begin to relax down. Close your eyes. First, let's concentrate on our breathing. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose together. Feel your chest rise, and then slowly exhale through the mouth. Feel your chest fall slowly down. Continue to breathe deeply and try your best to keep in time to my count. Breathe in now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. And out. 2, 3, 4. Keep breathing deeply in this way and continue to listen. Body scan. Today we will be doing a quick scan of how our bodies feel. As we begin, close your eyes and take one deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you continue breathing, focus on your feet. What do your feet feel like today? Do they hurt? Can you feel your socks or shoes on your feet? Now gently shift your attention to your legs. What do your legs feel like? Can you feel them touching anything? We are now going to move slowly up to our bellies. Can you feel your breathing in your belly? Does your belly feel good today? When you are ready, begin to focus on your arms. Do they feel heavy or light? Can you feel the desk or table they are resting on? Now shift the focus to your face. Try to relax your face and focus on your breath coming in and out of your nose. Do you notice anything about what your head feels like? When you are finished, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And slowly open your eyes. Remember, today's positive affirmation is, I believe in my goals. Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a great day.